everybody, it's Laura Huber here, and my daughter Kristen and I and her son Joey, which you'll see in a little bit, are going to be doing some projects around our home, and we thought you would like to watch. So the first project that we're going to show you is this garden. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. The hollyhocks took a really bad toll this year and they got a little bit of a disease, so we're going to pull them up and hopefully help them out, and they'll be good next year. And then this is about 27 years old, maybe not quite that old, but it's old. And so Kristen and I gathered a bunch of stone from the creek bed, and we are going to redo this garden. All right, so here's a few minutes later, actually. Well, hi guys, you can see that we got our rock wall finished, and we're ready to fill it with flowers now. It's not very wide, so I'm gonna probably just keep annuals in here. We did go to Lowe's today and we bought a few things. We bought 3 arborvitae, which I'll just use this for contrast and color for this year, and it'll look good at Christmas. And then I'll move these this spring. And we got some celosia. We found 1 pot of petunias, and they're in fall colors, and they were on sale, so we're really happy about that. And we got some coral bells and 2 different things of ornamental kale. And just to keep a little color for as long as we can, we bought a couple pansies. So we're going to get started planting, and Gwen is going to come over here and help me. You want to get on the camera, Gwen? So we have my little grandson Joey here. Guinevere's got her little purple shovel that we found on a yard sale and she loves. And Kristen is behind the camera. All right, so we're going to start out with 1 arborvitae in the very middle at the peak of the house, and then we're going to build out from there. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're all finished and we love it. It's beautiful. It took us about 12 hours total, and that was including putting all the plants in. I want to talk a little bit about the dry stacking in case you're interested in trying a project for yourself. Dry stacking has been around for thousands of years. People have, made huge retaining walls, homes, fences. They just used what was in their backyard and in their pastures. So as you saw in the video, what we did was we pulled the dirt away, laid a flat base, and it was really easy to get a flat base because the sidewalk was already here, so we could kind of go by that. We didn't need to use a level. And then make sure that it's solid. If you're doing something really heavy, you want to make sure that you have probably at least a 12-inch base with gravel in it. We already had that here. We got all of the stones from the creek. We made sure that they were pretty much all very similar in size. We had some a little smaller and some a little bigger, just to fit in the right places. One of the things that you want to make sure that you do is halfway up, you want to make sure that you're putting your rocks pretty deep into the soil. And we just backfilled as we were stacking the stone. So when we got about this high, we went ahead and put the soil back in with a great big rock that sat on top, and then the soil goes on top of that and the rocks, so that you have something to make it really stable. As you can see, I can sit on this. It's not going anywhere, and the longer it sits here, the tighter the soil's going to go in, and it's going to be a really good solid wall. And that's it. We hope you love it as much as we do, and good luck if you try it yourself. Bye-bye.